All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel to the Wix editor video channel. So I went ahead and went to the plus sign. I went to videos and music, and I just dragged on the grid option. So now I want to populate this with my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click this area. This manage videos will pop up. I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to go over to my YouTube browser, and I'm going to go ahead and grab that link that is the URL for my YouTube channel with all of my videos on here. See all my videos, perfect. And then this will pop up, and all you have to do, you don't have to upload any videos, all you have to do is paste that channel onto here. Now this will pop up, Tiana Marie, the Creative Wix Guru, and I have 10 videos. Go ahead and click next. Add feed. There you go. So now let's go back. You can click X, and my videos should be populated here. So if you'd like to change the layouts, I kind of like how they're so close together. I'm going to go into the settings. I'm going to go to layout, and let's go into spacing. There we go. I feel like that feels right. Nice and spaced out. Perfect. I like how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and click save and publish, and I'm good to go.